Hi, my name is Azim from PopcornSAR. As the autonomous driving and software-defined vehicle markets grow, the automotive industry is adopting vehicles equipped with in-vehicle applications to enhance and personalize user experiences. This evolution is driving the future of mobility and opening new business opportunities and revenue models. The global in-vehicle application market is projected to grow significantly over the coming years. Modern consumers expect more from their vehicles, seeking features to extend their digital lives and enhance driving convenience. PopcornSAR is tapping into this opportunity by offering cloud-based solutions for in-vehicle app development. This cloud-integrated development environment provides the necessary flexibility, scalability, and speed for developers to efficiently design and develop their vehicle applications. Soon, developers can access this platform via the AWS Marketplace. We're confident that PopcornSAR will lead the in-vehicle app market with its innovative solutions. Thank you.